In this video, I'm going to show you how to send in multiple attachments within your Yahoo Mail. So assuming I have my mail open over here and I want to say compose, and then you can type in the address in which you want to send the message to. For example, I have this one, and then I can go ahead and come over, type in the subject, and then type in the message. You can come down here and click on attach. Now you can attach from recent emails or from your computer. You can attach an image. You can hold down the control key or command key, and you can attach maybe a PDF document. If you have any PDF document, for example, I have this PDF, I have this docs document. Let's say we have this MP4 file. All right, so I'm going to attach all of them, and you can see once I click on open, it is going to attach all of them to this my mail, and you can see everything is been attached. And if you like, you can remove anyone that you don't want or preview it from here. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click on send. This is going to send this to the owner of the email. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.